Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I'll tell you 10 lines essay about the Gateway of India. Number 1. The Gateway of India is an arch monument. Number 2. It is situated in Mumbai. Number 3. It was built in the early 20th century. Number 4. It was built in the memory of King George V and Queen Mary. Number 5. This building has been constructed by basalt. Number 6. It is a beautiful monument. Number 7. It is on the beach in Kolava, south of Mumbai. Number 8. The Gateway of India has a height of about 85 feet. Number 9. It was designed by architect George Whitted. Number 10. The Gateway of India is one of the most visited places in Mumbai. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.